Good morning, adventure amigos. Well, we're not in Mexico anymore, but today we are on our way to Jasper National Park, and we're stopping here at Rearguard Falls, still in BC, for a little bit of a lake stretch.
Yeah, Rearguard Falls is just a little bit before Mount Robson here, and let's hit the trails and check out the falls. Here we go. Guys, that's Rearguard Falls. On to the next one. Hey guys, we're about 15 minutes down the road from Rearguard, and we're now checking out Overlander Falls.
Mount Robson, the view of Mount Robson wasn't very good, so we didn't get any shots. This is pretty smoky, lots of wildfires and stuff in the area, but lots of waterfalls to check out on this stretch of the highway.
Woo! All right guys, we'll see you at the falls.
Well friends, that's it for Overlander Falls. They say it's about a three-quarter of an hour walk there and back. Feels less than that. There is a bit of uphill coming out, but a beautiful spot nonetheless. So we're gonna get on the highway, and I think we're gonna stop next at Athabasca Falls and then on to Jasper. See you there.
Hey guys, we're at our third falls of the day, Athabasca Falls.
I made a mistake in my last clip. We got to Jasper and then Athabasca Falls. So we're gonna go enjoy the falls and then probably get some dinner and just enjoy the evening. So enjoy the adventure with us.
Guys, that's Athabasca Falls. Definitely worth the 35-kilometer drive from Jasper.
We loved it. We've been here before, but it gets very, very busy on prime visiting hours, like weekends, probably summertime. So if you can, come earlier in the season or early in the morning. So this time we actually got to walk around, where last time it was so busy we kind of took a quick peek and left. But anyway, thanks for following us along, and we'll see you tomorrow.